Hello, just here to trying to show you how to use grids so that you can draw better with proportions. Welcome to this channel, and I'm really glad you're here. Okay, now you see I've just laid down grids. This time I put in numbers all over, but if you want you can just add numbers on top and you put letters on the left or right, just the way you want. Okay, and then you just see something that I'm trying to do, like laying those lines on this paper. It's a blank paper, laying those down. See, there's a difference. The other ones are so tiny, or they're small. The other ones, the rest are bigger. That's the importance when you're trying to do with the work with grids, because they help you scale your drawing or paint. And then from here I didn't put all of this. I decided to start from there, so that that is nothing. So I couldn't just spend my time and start from there, because that could never give me because nothing is there actually. So yeah, you have to decide, you have to take decisions. And so yeah, as you can see that we have like a curved line. We're trying to make sure we do the same thing by following those squares and lines, aligning with numbers, and see what we can do. So we go from 6, like between 6 and 5, but we start from 6 over there up, and then we try to go down up to the other 5. Okay, now we're in focus. It's good. Okay, let's go. We will start now. Okay, 6, we go down a little bit. Just go same way as there. You have to look at the reference photo to try to do the same thing as you can see, because you don't draw what you don't see. You have to see. It's a reference photo. That's what it is about. Just go down like that, and let's say we reached 5. Now we're trying to verify it, like we're trying to check if we did the right thing. After you've done all that, you need to check, like constantly checking whether you're following the instructions, because the grids are gonna help you. They're like your reference. Now you can see the other line goes from 6 all the way up between 9, 8. We go like that. So you keep on following the instructions. That's what it is about. No hard things. just easy, man. Just have fun, and yeah, keep doing the good work. So we go like that until we reach the other corner there, and then we check if it's on 3. Yeah, we got it right. We got it right at 3. It's good. Now we're trying to go in between, like the lines in between, and see what we can do from there. we constantly need to check the numbers just to make sure we're doing the right thing. Okay, you can start from there. Here between the 4 and 5 are on the left, and then we go down. You can see from the reference photo up to where it meets, like where it meets a corner or something. Good guy, how is it over there? Can you enjoy the instructions? Are you following? Hope you are. Okay, now you can see we've done all that. Still, you need to check. Still, you need. Yeah, now you realize when you're starting, it seems a bit like complicated, but it's not really complicated. You just need to practice, and it will do the good job for you. Now, check what I've done. Now that I've got all the outlines laid out, and it's kind of big and good. I have everything over there, and there's no mistake. Now the rest will be just checking the values, the dark and lights, and adding the values, and trying to fill the whole artwork so that we get to the finished product. Wow, it's good. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so glad and thankful you watched over here, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you watching from here. My name is Clovis AP. I'm an artist and entrepreneur, and yeah, I was honored to help you today. Peace. You can follow me on Instagram at Clovis AP. It's just on the top left, and this is my TV.